Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with a fantastic tool that can transform your yard maintenance routine, the Flowtron Electric Leaf Mulcher and Shredder. We found this product online and have added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The Flowtron Electric Leaf Mulcher is designed to make yard work a breeze. This powerful plug-in shredder quickly chops and grinds leaves, grass clippings, thatch, pine needles, and other outdoor debris. No more endless bagging. This machine allows you to reduce up to 30 bags of wet or dry material down to just one, all while recycling it into nutrient-rich mulch for your garden. One of the standout features of the Flowtron Mulcher is its flexible setup. You can either place it on a trash can for efficient bagging or use its freestanding legs to redistribute the shredded material back into your lawn. With an adjustable coarseness setting, you can tailor the particle size from coarse at 8:1 to fine at 30:1, making it suitable for various applications. Whether you're looking to quickly dispose of yard waste or create mulch for your flower beds, this machine has got you covered. Powering this leaf grinder is a heavy-duty motor, complete with overload protection and a patented two-step shredding process. The 180-degree rotating adjustable hopper allows for continuous feeding of material, which means you can keep the machine running smoothly while it does the hard work for you. Plus, it includes 36 easy-to-install replacement cutting lines, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. What makes this mulcher truly appealing is its lightweight and compact design. Weighing only 17 pounds and measuring 24 inches wide by 40 inches high and 22 inches deep, it's easy to assemble and disassemble for travel or storage. The ultra-rugged steel legs and high-density polyethylene housing make it durable, while built-in carry handles and a storage compartment for extra cutting lines and safety gear add to its convenience. This mulcher is an essential tool for anyone who spends time in their yard, whether you're a casual gardener or a landscaping enthusiast. It not only saves you money by reducing the need for expensive leaf bags and trash pickup but also streamlines your yard maintenance, making it less stressful and more efficient.